guys, what we got here today, we're going to do my quick review on the CZ Scorpion Evo. I bought this from a buddy. I won't say the name of the dealership or the dealer locally, and but it's an awesome little sub gun, and I've had a lot of fun with it. It's very popular. I compared this to the, what is it, the MPX or whatever the other one was. I went with this because I prefer blowback versus gas operated. And I've had a lot of luck with it. I really enjoy it. I'm going to run a couple cameras today. So you see the funny looking thing on my head. I bought this little side plug. I bought this on Amazon for what, like 46 bucks. It's a little GoPro knockoff. And it's okay. Now this will be the first time I'm really using it for anything. 46 bucks. So I figured that's pretty cheap. And it comes with a few accessories, no big deal. But they said once I got it, if you write a review, take a picture of your review and send it to them, they'll send you with more accessories. So I got a ton of accessories with it, worth way more than $46. And the cool thing is that all my accessories work with my GoPro. So basically I paid 46 bucks for a crap ton of accessories for my GoPro, and then a free camera. That's the way I look at it. So I've got here my bag that I got to keep my Scorpion in. Here we go, right here. It's an old bag that I hadn't used in years. I'm kind of a bag dork from years of doing work with bags, and found a good use for it. So what I got here is the CZ and Scorpion Evo 3 S1. It is clear and safe. So this is not an SBR. This is a pistol because I have this brace to use on my forearm. Check that box. So this is a legal brace, wrist brace for my 9mm pistol. So in my Gucci Go Faster Fire Hands Dwayne Dieter sling, I'm running the Bushnell, what is this thing? TRS-25. It was like 75 bucks. It's a red dot sight. It's awesome. It works well, and I dig it. So what do I like about the Evo? What do I like about this is I've shot the MP5 a lot. I like the way this operates. It's very similar to an MP5, and that we all, for those who've used MP5s, you work from the front, rear, and then rear forward when operating it. So you would pull back your charging handle, lock the bolt to the rear, insert your magazine, bolts forward, and now you're ready to boogie. Working opposite, you would lock the bolt to the rear, remove the magazine, replace, or do whatever. It is clear and safe. I think that's pretty cool. The really cool thing about this and the way it operates as far as speed and reloading is once I drop that empty mag, I don't have to, let's see here, if this locks to the rear. After I run a magazine dry, the bolt will lock to the rear, like so. I can pump in a fresh mag and use this. I don't have to operate the bolt up here. I just hit the bolt release right here, and now rock and roll. So I think that's pretty cool. It's pretty fast. I'm kind of old school, and I tend to use the forward. We're going to fire a couple rounds and see how she does. Pretty accurate. I've used the iron sights. They're on, man. No complaints. Obviously with the red dot, battery's good. With the red dot, you can really do some work. So I'm going to shoot these steel. Down here, my alley, I've got steel. I call this my zombie garden. I got steel all up in the woods there. So I'll throw a couple of these guys right here, and then we'll engage these guys up in here. Alright, so we'll try to engage these guys up in here. It goes without saying, obviously, eyes, ears, especially when shooting steel. Yesterday, I made an amateur mistake. I was up in the garden shooting pistol, no eyes because it's cloudy, and from the gun, a piece of debris came back and hit me in the eye. So I know better. That's why we always wear eyes, whether you're shooting steel or whatever. All right, so I hit the zombie guy in the head a few times. To the right of him, it's a 4-inch pie plate. So nailed him, second try. Hit these guys right here, give them some attention. Hit, guy down there, 100 yards. Hit, guy right here, hit. So I'm engaging, big guy, hit him. So that's what I freaking dig. I dig this sub gun. Wherever I put that red dot, it's hitting. Getting work done, man. I mean, I'd rather do it for cheaper. You hear that? That's what I love about the Ozarks. A while ago, somebody ripped a 30-round burst, full auto. So we're gonna walk in the woods a little bit and have a little bit of fun. I'll bring in an extra mag because you don't want the zombies to get us. That'd be bad. So, yeah. So, right quick. Hey, you ready? You got me? All right. So I got my video guy here, Colton, helping me out. This is not proper use of Ear Pro, so don't do that. But I only had 2 sets, and they need it. All right, so we're just gonna walk through. We're just gonna go through targets and have a little bit of fun. Like that guy right there. Boom, boom. This guy hiding right there. Hit him. How about that guy? No. We gotta get cover. We better get some cover, guys. We'll get behind the tree. No rock over. See if we can't hit him. Hit. Alright. We don't want to expose too much of our body, right? Oh, that's what I do. Alright, so he's done. Don't worry about that guy anymore. The only thing I don't like the swing, maybe could be a little bit lower, but, and I'm not really a low port kind of guy, coming up like that. I'd almost rather, I'm a high port guy, so come up, pop, and engage that. We're doing, oh, we're getting exposed again. Got a guy up here, hit, look at that guy. Oh, knocked him off. Nobody's shot back here, right? So we're good. Checking our 6. Good. Oh, I didn't engage him, but I got these guys here. So I think, are we clear? How are we doing? Oh, that's me. Oh. Oh, right there. So. So I think we're good. That's plenty.
I got it.
All right, so awesome piece of equipment. Absolutely love this thing. I don't know. That's my review. I love it. I dig it. It works well. It runs. I've not had any malfunctions of any type. The mags, they feed awesome. I bought these. So what comes with it are mag pools. So I bought a couple. These are 35 round. Go ahead and get them. It'd be worth the money. So yeah, that's it, man. Down and dirty. You guys have seen some of my other videos. Totally worth it, in my opinion. The MPX, like I said, I've never shot it. People seem to like it. I just don't like gas operated. because when you have gas operated, you're just inviting more issues that could potentially happen, and I don't like issues. So with blowback, like the MP5, tested, been around for a long time, and this is the most similar. If you're used to an MP5, you will love this Scorpion. All right, that's it. Later, thanks.